Why meditation is one of the most essential things in life. If you want to know in great details, then you have to stick to this video till the end. I am Aatma Guru Korak, so I'll talk to your Aatma. Aatma is meta soul, beyond soul. And if you are interested in adharma and dharma win, and in our mission of Kaliyug end and Satyug shine, then you come and join this work which I am doing since August 17th, 1996, after renouncing my military officer's job, which I got by being second in All India merit for clearing SSB. So come and join this work for benefiting humanity. There are certain things in life which are essential. You cannot imagine your life without that. Any guesses? Write in the comment box. What do you think are the most essential things in life? Just like breathing, eating, drinking, another essential thing is meditation. Why meditation? To understand this thing, I'll be telling you in four steps, and the fourth step will be another video. So what are these four steps? First step is goal of meditation. Second step is how to achieve that. Third step is what would be life post achieving it, or post being in resonance with meditation and its goals. And the fourth, which will be another video, is about how to achieve it, how you could be helped to achieve the highest goal. That will be another video. So let's get into the first thing, the goal. The goal of meditation. To understand the goal of meditation, we have to know this thing, that what is this word meditation? There is a feeling and there's a word related to that feeling. That feeling could be wide, but the word would be not adequate. So similarly, meditation thing comes from yoga. Yoga means to be in resonance with something. What is that something? Like, as I've told you before, that there are three levels of me, I. One is my body I. Like, I am the passport which I am carrying, or the color of my body, or my eyes, or things. The body I, the physical aspect. The second me, second I, is the mind I, or many people understand mind as soul and things like that. So that comes from my culture, from my knowledge, from my the kind of culture I've lived in, and the knowledge I've gained, and the education and things. And the third level is my Aatma, or the meta soul. What I am in my inner level. So these things. So yoga, the goal of yoga is to be in resonance with your inner level, not your body, not your self, means your mind level, but in the meta soul level, or in the Aatma level. And Aatma level is all and everybody, for everybody it is same. But we generally, just with all the meditation techniques and everything, we could hardly reach, means barely few people with meditation, they reach the inner level. They just oscillate in the body level, or in the mind level and some people in the inner level. But then what is the purpose? Why should I be in resonance with my inner level? That is the goal of meditation. To know the cause, not only to know the cause of all that I am going through and the secrets behind how I will be able to achieve my goals. The goal is to not just know the cause, but also to solve it, also to rectify the cause, also to dictate the future. And that is the objective of meditation. But because we practice a certain form, kind of meditation, which was given to me by the Almighty Creator, Hari, Narayan, Har, Shiv. So, we will come to it later, the name also later. But so the goal of meditation is not to know the cause only, but also to rectify the cause. And that is the goal or the aim or the objective or the mission of meditation. Now, when we know the mission of meditation, let's get into how. How would I be able to do it? Well, through meditation, through being in resonance with your inner being in such a way so that you could dictate, you could correct your past and you could dictate your future and be in resonance with your goals, be in resonance with your own missions. Okay. Like, I'll give you a small example without elongating this video. I had goals and missions in life which were much bigger than whatever was there on earth, and I'm living it now. So, so you can reach the mission or the goal of meditation. It is possible. I have two words which we give to the world, which will come later. Keep watching. And the next thing is, what would be life post being in post resonance? What would be life post being in resonance with meditation? That we called post enlightenment life. Meditation must bring us enlightenment. But fine, I am enlightened, and then what? Living a post-enlightenment life, that is the beauty of meditation. If we could reach the goal of meditation. So now in the end is, what is the step? How to do it? Korak, you are talking so much about these goals of meditation. What next? How can you say? I can say because I have practiced it for the past 25 years. I have got this thing like, yes, why not? 32 years back. And I've been practicing it since past 25 years. And not only me, I have making other people practice it. And so what next is meta meditation. Meta means beyond. When we could go beyond meditation. And what is that will be the next video. If you are a adharmi or a Kali Yugi, then it will be very difficult this work. But if you are a Satyugi, or you want to be a Satyugi, or you want Dharma to win, then I am the person you were looking for, you were waiting for. So come and click the subscribe button, join this page, and also press the bell icon. Along with it, see all the videos which are there in this channel and like them, comment on them, and also share them.